Do you wake up tired, even after sleeping 8 hours? You feel like your battery is always on 5%, no matter how much you rest? That's not just normal tiredness. That's emotional burnout, and it's more common than you think. I used to feel this way every single day, drained, numb, irritated at the smallest things, until I realized it wasn't my body that was exhausted. It was my emotions. Sign number 1. You feel numb or detached from things you used to love. Hobbies, friends, even your favorite music. Nothing excites you anymore. It's like your emotions are on mute. Sign number 2. Small things make you angry or irritated instantly. A delayed text, a loud noise, someone interrupting you. Suddenly you're snapping. That's your nervous system screaming, "I'm overloaded." Sign number 3. You're always fine on the outside, but feel empty inside. You say, "I'm okay" to everyone, while inside you're wondering why you feel nothing. Sign number 4. You start avoiding people, even the ones who care about you. Social plans feel like a burden. You'd rather be alone than pretend you're okay. Sign number 5. You can't make decisions anymore. Even choosing what to eat feels overwhelming. That's decision fatigue. Your emotional battery is completely drained. Why does this happen? Because we keep saying yes to everyone else, while saying no to ourselves. We absorb stress, suppress feelings, and never recharge. I ignored these signs for months, until one day I broke down crying over nothing. That was my wake-up call. So how do you fix it before it's too late? Set one small boundary this week. Say no to one thing. Do a 5-minute feelings check-in every day. Write what you're actually feeling. Rest without guilt. Lying down without your phone is recharge, not laziness. Talk to someone. Even one honest conversation can lighten the load. Start small. Your nervous system will thank you. You're not broken. You're just running on empty. You deserve to feel alive again. If any of these signs hit home, drop a black heart in the comments and tell me, which sign do you relate to the most? I read every comment. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this. See you in the next one.